How to set English language in Mac. Setting the English language on a Mac involves adjusting the system language in macOS settings. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So let's get started. Firstly, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, then a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select System Settings or System Preferences in the older macOS version. Then in the settings, simply in the left sidebar, tap on the General option available there. Inside General, you can see Language and Reason option available. If you scroll down, then tap on the Language and Reason. Now inside Language and Reason, in the Preferred Language section, click the plus or add button at the bottom of the list. Then, after you tap on the plus icon, a list of languages will be available on your screen. Now, all you have to do is from those languages, scroll to the list or type English in the search bar and select the specific variant of English. Example, English United States, English United Kingdom, and click Add option available there. Now drag English to the top of the list in the preferred language section to make it the primary language. A pop-up may appear asking if you would like to use English as the primary language, and you might need to restart your Mac for the changes to fully apply. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.